Hey everyone! Today we're going to cover the two main ways to connect multiple data sources in Power BI, establishing a relationship in the model view, or merging tables in Power Query. 1. Importing the data tables. We'll start by importing two tables like sales and product that share a common column. 1. Click Get Data. Go to the Home tab and click Get Data/Excel Workbook. 2. Select Tables. Select the desired Excel file, then check the Worksheet tabs for both the Sales and Product tables and click Load. 3. Result. Both tables are imported into Power BI as separate entities ready for modeling. Next, Method A. Establishing a relationship in the model view. This method keeps your table separate and manages the link via a relationship. 1. Switch to Model View. Click the Model View icon on the left sidebar to see the two separate tables, Sales and Product. 2. Create Relationship. Drag the common column, for example, Country, from Sales, onto the matching column, for example, Country in Product. 3. Define cardinality. The default relationship is usually many to one. Adjust the cardinality using the drop-down on the relationship line if needed. 4. Usage. You can now create visuals by pulling fields from both tables. Next, Method B, merging tables in Power Query. This method combines the data into a single flat table. 1. Open Power Query. In the Fields pane, right-click a table like Sales and select Edit Query. 2. Merge Command. In the Power Query editor, select the table, then choose Merge Queries. 3. Define Join. Select the second table, Product, and match the join column, Country equals Country. Choose Left Outer Join to retain all rows from the primary table, Sales. 4. Expand Columns. Click OK, then click the Expand button on the new column header to select and bring in the desired columns from the Product table. 5. Load Result. Click Close and Apply. The result is a single table containing all fields and no explicit relationship is needed. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.